Reason why you should test your gagbola before you get married. Where are my single ladies? But if you are a married woman, it's never too late for you. I want you to listen to this. Why you should test your gagbola before you get married? As in, why you should allow your oga to knack you well before you get married. I wan tell una this. Number one, if you know that you have big nyash, as in big ikebe, una know say there is different gbola for different stature. Gbola for big nyash dey, gbola for small ikebe, as in lepa, people like us dey. I will use small this because I went to market today. I say make I find cucumber so that I go use and give you an example, but I couldn't find one. But with this one that I will put on the screen, you can be able to differentiate what I'm about to say. See, my girls, gbola for big ikebe, no be all those ones wey dey big. You understand? Na all those slim portable ones, na those ones dem dey use for big ikebe. Before you go get married, check if you get big ikebe one, and those ones wey go like curve like this. You know say some gbola go dey. Just check this cucumber wey I put now. Just check it here. That one that is curved now, that is gbola for big ikebe. Then gbola for lepashos. Una know those ones now. That one, if you put am, you go swallow am. You know say person wey get big ikebe, they no necessarily need big gbola, because they are this thing no dey deep. Na just a strong and active gbola, na then they use those ones. Because those ones, you go find out say get as you go take open their legs sef, dem go tell you say I wan wound me. You understand now? So na small but mighty gbola, na that one is meant for big ikebe. Then we wey be lepa, anyone, if you like put the one wey long reach like this my hand, you go swallow am. Still do mouth like say you no chop anything. You know we wey be lepa, if we mistakenly turn back for you, as in woye there, oga match here. So before you get married, if you get big gbola, big nyash, know the kind gbola wey you dey take. No go dey do chochi. I don't want to make love before my marriage. I don't want to do this one before my this. Now for people wey dey do chochi, now they tell this now. No say una no dey like to hear this kind one, but I will keep telling you guys. This thing now, take it, as in think about it. No be tomorrow you go come outside say my husband is not satisfying me. My husband amazi halama ofuma onaghị eme m nke a. Before you know, ibido gbawa outside. Ịchọwa gate man, ịchọwa aboki na-ele mmiri, ya bịa na enye gị something. You understand? So biko, ọ bụrụ na ịnụgo di, check ihe nke dị gị ọfụma. Ọ bụrụ na ọ bụghị nke na-enye gị ebe ọ na-agụ ya, unu amara ka a ga-esi wee mee ya amend. Ọ bụrụkwana na ịbụ nwaanyị na ị ka chọrọ ịnụ di, check before you do wetin you marry. Na wetin I say make I come tell una, my people. Ntị ọ dịkwa we move.